Look at Magic. She's getting petted. Yes. She loves to get petted. Yes, she does. Good girl. Good girl. Now you're going to get brushed? Yes, good job. Yes. Oh, what a pretty girl. Yes, what a pretty girl. So pretty, Magic. Yes, you are. Your mommy's pretty girl. Let's do your belly. Oh, yes. There we go. Oh, itchy spots, itchy spots. Oh, yes. Good girl. Good girl, Magic. There you go. Good girl. Good job. Come here, Magic. Come here. Sit. Down. Good girl. Good job. Magic. Come here, Magic. Come here, girl. Come here, Magic. Good job, Sit. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good girl. Now you can eat it. Good job. Someone's at the door. Come on, Magic. On your bed. Sit. Sit. Yes, this is Grandma. Oh. Okay, well, thank you very much. Have a great day. Stay. Lay down. Stay there. Okay. Ready? Ready? Find your tree. Which one? That one? Good job. Did you find it? Yeah? You found it. All right. Good job. Magic. Come on, girl. Let's go for a walk. Good girl. All right. Good job. All right. Good job, Magic. Good girl. Come on. You ready? Come on. Come on, Magic. Lucky duck. Good job. Good job. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Theo. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Ready? Yes. Yes. Magic likes her toy. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Get it.